you how to make red velvet mini cake. Let's make it. Here we need the ingredient: 150 grams all-purpose flour, 150 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon emulsifier, 85 milliliters water, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 sachet coconut milk or 65 milliliter red velvet flavor paste, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Red velvet mini cake ala Lisa. Don't forget to try this recipe. See you in the next video and I love you all. Mwah!